Right, waiting for the light to come on. Testing valves, the Hoofbag method. We don't have a means of, for example, checking the emission of the valve. However, what we can do is check the output of the valve. That's a low output signal generator. This is a high output signal generator, sort of. It's effectively the front end of a small valve amplifier using an ECC83 without the output stage, and that there is the power supply providing up to 300 volts. So if I take a valve out of the bag, plug it in and test it using this device. Marconi EL84, that's what that is. So we pop, this is the output stage, that's the output transformer. That is like a breadboard, but a soldered breadboard for the purposes of testing EL84s for sale or whatever. So we plug them in here like this, and then we switch on the power on this. Right, in a short while, hopefully, the meter will read about 270 volts. And then the power meter will read, well, in this instance it's adjusting the output of this, and that's showing exactly 5 watts. So if you've got 290 volts as the HT, minus about 11 or 12 for the cathode resistor. So we can safely assume that this EL84 is working effectively. Switch power supply off, change the valve. EL84 valve test number 2. This is a different EL84. But here we go. Voltage increasing. What actually happens is the heater takes some time to warm up, so the valve is not taking any current on its anode, but when the cathodes start emitting, then we actually get a current through the valve, which results in a voltage drop on the power supply. So there we are. That's 5 watts exactly. This is an Amtron power meter that's lasted quite some time. Very pleased with it. Although it looks a bit of a state, it still actually works. Into 3 ohms. And that's how we test valves. Okay, we've also discovered that we can test ECC83s with this setup. That is an ECC83, although the numbers have come off. So using this device here, which is a signal generator, using an ECC83, it wouldn't work if the ECC83 is faulty. So we know that the gain is correct, so that is a good ECC83. Thank you for watching, as always.